Healthy weight loss has never been an easy goal. With millions of people suffering the harrowing effects of obesity, the importance of a sustainable, consistent weight loss process really cannot be overstated. Obesity can be a deadly problem. Heart disease, diabetes, and a number of additional issues result from being overweight. Shedding fat, then, is a matter of life and death for many people. Supplementation might be a helpful way to boost your weight loss results, but formulas can't do anything without your help. Lifting weights, running, and exercising can help to create a caloric deficit while you work on your diet, but even the most perfect weight loss routine can sometimes fall short. For these times, supplements can fill the gap and help you lose those additional stubborn fat pounds. The right supplement might help consumers to look and feel their best, as losing weight can most certainly have this effect and improve your quality of life in the process. BioFit is one solution which claims to be a completely legit and effective weight loss supplement. BioFit is part of a larger category of supplements, probiotics. Probiotic supplements generally focus on the gut, although some probiotics offer benefits outside of this part of the body. Probiotic supplements work by helping to boost bacteria in the gut. Not all bacteria are bad. Emerging science suggests that healthy bacteria in the colon and intestines might play a major role in our weight loss processes. Digestion, bowel movements, and metabolism are all components of the weight loss equation that are regulated by the gut and its scores of healthy bacteria. So don't wait anymore. If you want to lose your weight quickly and easily, order BioFit online from the link in the description. Thank you.